Have you ever wondered why corned beef is pink, while most cooked meat turns brown? It's not a coincidence. Behind that color is a fascinating mix of preservation, chemistry, and history. So, what exactly is corned beef? And why is it pink? Let's find out on Story of Simple Things. Corned beef is simply beef that has been cured with salt to preserve it for a long time. The word corned has nothing to do with corn. It comes from the old term corns of salt, which were large grains of salt used to cure meat before refrigeration existed. During the curing process, the meat is treated with salt and curing agents like sodium nitrite. This reacts with the meat's proteins and locks in a stable pink color, even after cooking. That's why corned beef keeps its signature pink look instead of turning brown like regular cooked beef. So the next time you see that pink slice, remember, it's not undercooked. It's science, history, and preservation working together in one simple food. Thanks for watching. Tell me in the comments how you liked the video. And what topic should we cover next? Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next story.